Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony soundbar and it's not working right and you need to do a hard reset on it. If it's not connecting to the Bluetooth, or if the volume is low, or any other kind of, there's a lot of issues that can just be fixed by just doing a factory reset on it. Keeping in mind when you do this, it will forget all the devices that it's paired with and everything like that, and any settings that has been set on it, that you've put on it, it will be like it came out of the box. But if you're ready to do that, let's proceed. So with Sony's, depending on the soundbar, there are two different ways to do the hard reset. And so you'll just have to try which one works for you. The first one, which is the most common one for most soundbars, is simply holding the power button and the volume down button simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds. And once you do that, it will make a little audible noise. It will go through a reset cycle, and then it will turn off. And then you can turn it back on, and it will be like it came out of the box. The other way is if that doesn't work, you can try, as we have circled here, the power button, the input select button, and the volume up button. Same thing, you press and hold them simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds, and that will initiate a hard reset on your soundbar. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.